Hello, I'm Henok Adnew. I'm a mechanical engineer and a developer of Xeno software. I currently work at BGI Ethiopia as technical head, sales technical head. I participated in a technology exhibition at the exhibition center in Addis Ababa. So I have seen this advertisement about the competition. So I started to compete. First, we gave the abstract of our idea or project idea. So then there was this training that will help us how to present, how to do even our projects. Then we presented. So this whole process takes about, I think, 4 or 5 months. Basically, I've done my software a long time ago. I was polishing it. So software is not, we can say software is finished. So I was always trying to polish it to make it better. So for me, it's not that much challenge. I know the application for a long time. So my project is about computer-aided design and optimization. In simple terms, it's about drawing geometric things in the software and trying to analyze what has been drawn. So my target is in aluminum companies that make the doors and windows for buildings and houses. So these companies have their own way of doing a complete aluminum project. So I try to automate that process by giving them a software. My application is called Xeno. A friend of mine a long time ago works in aluminum firm. So he introduced me to the problem. So he knows I usually work on computers beside my mainstream, so he asked me to do this thing. So I explored it, the idea, and I make my own way of my own solution for it. So a friend of mine introduced me to the problem. So I have a principle. I always try to do things in international level. So that my product, not only my product, so my experience could be used not only for this country, also for the world. That's my aim. So when I tried to build this application, I used technologies that are currently state of the art, currently. So I used programming technologies that are very advanced, so that it can be as robust as possible. Because the project is a one-man project, because I did every part of it, I had so many challenges while building it. This is before the competition. So I use different technologies, older technologies at first, but always when I get a newer technology, I try to improve it. So my software is not only from the point of solving my client's problem, also from the point of software development. I think it's very unique in this country. My software solves many parts of this aluminum project management. So basically, there is this extensive drawing. The window doors are drawn on some other application. The current tradition, I'm going to explain to you the traditional way of doing things. So once the project is accepted, there is a drawing of each window doors. Then there is a thing called bill of materials. We have to know every material that are used to produce these window doors, their dimensions, the accessories. These things are done manually currently. So my application solves most of these problems automatically. So I have a designer, the engineer who's working on the software will design the window doors on that designer or sketcher. Then every material that is required to build it will be automatically generated. So for example, I have done some ad hoc tests, and I have found out that a week's worth of project with a traditional method can be solved with my software in 1 hour. A software project is never finished. Always there is a room for improvement. So there are, for example, window doors that are hard to sketch in my software at its current level. The design requires a very complicated mathematics. So I want to try to move it from one-man project to multi-person project so that these areas of window doors to be covered. The user of my softwares are aluminium companies that produce window doors. So that it cannot be confused with aluminium companies that really make the aluminium bars. So those companies that do window doors using aluminium. Basically, the aluminium can also be a metal or a wood. The software supports such things, but the current target is aluminium companies. What I wanted to say is, in every area, in every scientific area and technological area, we can go as further as we want, and that's exactly what I did. I'm not finished yet, but I think I'm in the right track. I always strive for not only for Ethiopian market, for international market. So for other colleagues who are working on such things, I want them. They face so many challenges, but if they keep on, they can achieve their targets. Basically, my software involves highly mathematics. So my math skills that I acquire from school helped me a lot.